Hi guys, Pete here from Disney Toys Giveaway, the only channel on YouTube that gives away all the toys we show in our videos for free. If you want to enter today's free toy giveaway, all you have to do is click on the like tab below the video, leave a comment and subscribe. It really is as easy as that. When the video has enough views, we will choose one lucky person to win the toy shown in this video. So let's have a look at today's free toy giveaway, which is a Lego Creator 3-in-1 set. This is a pretty cool set, guys, as you can make 3 different models with this one set. A helicopter, a plane and a speedboat. Let's take a closer look at the box. I really like the look of this Lego set. Let me open it up and take a look inside. Three different models to make? That sounds pretty good to me. I'm going to make all 3, so let's get started. that was a lot of fun. These Lego Creator 3-in-1 sets are totally awesome. Which model was your favourite? Leave a comment below to tell me which one you liked the most. If you want to win this Lego Creator 3-in-1 set, all you have to do to enter our free toy giveaway is like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. When the video has enough views, we will choose one lucky person to win the toy shown in the video, and that person could be you. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. We are adding new videos every day, so if you want to win all of our toys, make sure you watch all of our videos. And don't forget to tell all your friends and family about us as well. Use the share tab below this video to let everyone know, because the quicker this video gets more views, the quicker we can give the toys away for free. I hope you have a great day and best of luck. I hope you are the next winner. This is Pete from Disney Toys Giveaway, where we don't just show you the toys, we give you the toys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.